Hello, my friends. Have you ever felt it? That subtle, creeping shift as the years accumulate? That moment when movements that were once effortless begin to feel heavier, stiffer, as if an invisible weight has settled upon your very bones. Perhaps you're over 50, and you've noticed the spring in your step isn't quite as lively, the ease in your joints replaced by a dull ache or a hesitant creak. It's a common story, one whispered in quiet moments of introspection, or perhaps shouted in frustration when a simple task becomes a surprising challenge. Many of us, as we cross the threshold of 50, begin to experience a quiet erosion of our deep muscle control. These aren't the big, showy muscles you see in the mirror, but the intricate network of stabilizers that support your posture, protect your joints, and allow for fluid, coordinated movement. Without their steadfast support, the body compensates, often with larger, more superficial muscles, leading to that feeling of being heavier or stiffer. Your body effectively loses its internal suspension system, and in an attempt to regain that lost strength, we often turn to what we know: heavy weights, repetitive motions, high-impact exercises. But for many, especially those with years of living in their joints, this approach can be a double-edged sword, leading to chronic inflammation, injury, and a deeper sense of discouragement. It feels like a losing battle, doesn't it? The very tools we use to get stronger seem to betray us, causing more pain than progress. But what if I told you there was another way? An ancient path, forged by warriors who understood the profound power of the human body, not through brute force, but through stillness and internal cultivation? Imagine a strength so deep, so foundational, that it transcends mere muscle mass. A resilience that protects your joints, enhances your balance, and reawakens the innate control you once possessed. This isn't a fantasy, it's a wisdom passed down through generations, a secret held within the disciplined practices of the Shaolin monks. Centuries ago, long before barbells and treadmills, the legendary Shaolin warriors cultivated incredible strength, endurance, and an almost supernatural joint stability. Their secret? They didn't rely on external weights or high-impact movements that pounded their joints into submission. Instead, they mastered the art of static postures, powerful isometric holds that engaged deep muscle chains, strengthened connective tissues, and taught the body profound structural integrity, all without placing undue pressure on their precious joints. They built their bodies from the inside out, creating an unshakable foundation that allowed them to perform feats of agility and power well into old age. They understood that true strength isn't just about movement, it's about control, stability, and the ability to command your body even in stillness. This isn't about becoming a martial arts master, though. It's about reclaiming your vitality, your freedom of movement, and the joy of a body that feels strong and capable again. Today I want to share with you 3 specific Shaolin-inspired isometric holds. Simple yet profoundly effective exercises that require nothing but your own body, and a commitment to rebuilding your full body strength and control gently and intelligently, without ever impacting your joints. Think of these as keys to unlocking your body's inherent wisdom, a way to rewind the clock on stiffness and regain the fluidity you thought was lost forever. Let's begin this journey of rediscovery. Our first exercise is the horse stance . This posture is a cornerstone of many martial arts traditions, and for good reason. It's a master builder of leg strength, hip stability, and incredible endurance. But beyond just brute force, it teaches your body deep structural control and improves mobility in ways you might not expect. Imagine yourself standing tall, feet about twice shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards, perhaps at a 45-degree angle. Now, slowly, consciously, begin to sink your hips downwards, as if you're about to sit on an invisible stool. Your back remains straight, your chest open, and your gaze forward. As you descend, ensure your knees track directly over your ankles, not collapsing inwards or bowing outwards. Feel the powerful engagement in your thighs, your glutes, and your core. Your body should feel rooted, stable, like a mountain. Hold this position. At first, you might only manage a few seconds. That's perfectly fine. The goal isn't to go deep immediately, but to establish proper form and feel the muscles working. Start with a shallower stance, where your thighs are perhaps only halfway to being parallel with the floor. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, rest, and repeat for 3 to 5 sets. As you grow stronger, you'll be able to sink deeper, eventually aiming for your thighs to be parallel to the floor, as if you truly are sitting on that invisible stool. The deeper you go, the more intensely your legs and core will work. You'll notice an incredible strengthening not just in your quadriceps, but in your inner thighs, your glutes, and even your lower back as it works to maintain an upright posture. This isn't just about building muscle. It's about teaching your hips to stabilize your core to engage, and your entire lower body to move as a unified, powerful unit, reducing strain on your knees and lower back in everyday movements. Next, we move to an exercise that might seem deceptively simple, but is profoundly effective for spinal health and core strength. The *** hollow body hold ***. This exercise is a secret weapon for activating those deep, intrinsic muscles that support your spine, creating what I like to call a structural corset that protects your back from injury and improves your overall posture. Lie down flat on your back on the floor, arms extended overhead, legs straight. Now, press your lower back firmly into the floor. Imagine trying to flatten a piece of paper underneath it. This is crucial. From this position, slowly lift your head and shoulders off the floor, just enough so you can see your toes. Simultaneously, lift your legs just a few inches off the floor. Your body should form a subtle, gentle curve, like a banana. Your core should be intensely engaged, pulling your navel towards your spine. Hold this position. The challenge here isn't just about lifting. It's about maintaining that constant pressure of your lower back against the floor. If your lower back arches, it means the deep core muscles aren't engaged enough, and you should modify the exercise. For progression, start with an easier variation. Bend your knees, bringing your heels closer to your glutes, or keep your arms closer to your body, perhaps extended straight in front of you instead of overhead. As your core strength improves, you can gradually straighten your legs and extend your arms further overhead. The longer your levers, arms, and legs, the more challenging the hold becomes. Aim for 15 to 30-second holds for 3 to 5 sets. You'll feel this deep within your abdominal wall, strengthening the very muscles that safeguard your spine, improving your balance, and making everyday activities like lifting, bending, and even walking feel more stable and effortless. This isn't about creating a six-pack. It's about building a robust, resilient core that serves as the bedrock of all movement. Finally, let us address leg strength in a way that truly respects your joints. The *** wall sit ***. This exercise is a fantastic way to build powerful quadriceps and glutes without any heavy impact or strain on your knees, making it ideal for those who find squats or lunges uncomfortable or even painful. It allows you to load your legs dynamically without the wear and tear. Find a sturdy wall and lean your back against it, ensuring your entire spine is pressed flat. Now, slowly slide down the wall until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. Your shins should be vertical and your thighs parallel to the floor. Your feet should be flat on the ground, hip-width apart. Your core should be engaged, and your back should remain flat against the wall. Hold this position. The sensation will be immediate, a deep burn in your quadriceps. This is your muscles working, building strength without the dangerous impact of heavy lifting. To progress, start with shorter holds, perhaps 20 to 30 seconds, for 3 to 5 sets. If a 90-degree angle is too challenging initially, slide up the wall a bit, so your knees are at a wider angle, making it less intense. As you gain strength, you'll be able to hold the 90-degree position for longer durations, aiming for a minute or even more. You can also challenge yourself by placing your feet slightly further away from the wall, increasing the lever. This isometric hold builds remarkable strength in your legs, enhances muscular endurance, and, crucially, does so without the repetitive joint compression that can lead to chronic inflammation. It's pure, unadulterated strength building, kind to your body, yet incredibly effective. What these 3 exercises, the horse stance, the hollow body hold, and the wall sit, have in common is their elegant simplicity and profound impact. They demonstrate a timeless truth. the simplest training methods are often the most effective. They don't require fancy equipment, expensive gym memberships, or complex movements that risk injury. They demand only your presence, your focus, and your commitment to your own well-being. By integrating these Shaolin Isometric Holds into your routine, you're not just exercising. You're embarking on a journey of rebuilding. You're teaching your body to move with greater control, to stabilize your joints naturally, and to rediscover a deep, resilient strength that lies within you, regardless of your age. You're choosing a path that respects your body's wisdom, supports its natural mechanics, and empowers you to live with less pain and more vitality. Imagine rising from your chair with ease, walking with a confident stride, bending down to pick something up without a second thought. Imagine the freedom that comes from a body that feels strong, stable, and truly yours again. This isn't about turning back the clock to 20. It's about making every year after 50 the best it can possibly be, filled with energy, capability, and the quiet confidence that comes from a well-tended body. The journey starts now. Take a deep breath, feel your body, and begin. The strength you seek is already within you, waiting to be reawakened.